How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So here guys, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. Then here go to the search and type the United States. That's the country we are going to focus on in this method, and click on search, wait for it to load, and here zoom in on the country, and let's choose a state or a city in here in order to apply this method in. So for example, we are going to choose here, let's zoom in on New York, and let's choose a city in here or a state. So here let's choose Ithaca in here, or Buffalo. Let's choose Buffalo. Let's zoom in on Buffalo here, this place, and let's go to the search to type a some kind of a small business to search for. But before that, we are going to talk about the three services that we are going to offer these small businesses. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to check if they have a website or not. If not, we are going to offer to create the website for them. And the second service you are going to offer them is the bad reviews removing. So we are going to check their profile in Google Maps, and we are going to see if there are any bad reviews to remove for them. And the third service is the social media accounts managing. So here let's start by looking for the small businesses. For example, let's look for hair salons or auto repair shops. Let's look for auto repair here, click on search and wait for it to load. And here you can see that we have a lot of auto repair shops in this area. So here you can see that we have a lot in this area. So let's go to the profiles, and guys, in order to find the perfect profile to reach out to, or the profile with the highest rate of hiring us, make sure always to choose the ones that don't have a sponsored written in the top of their profile, and also the ones with less than 150 reviews, like this one here, for example, Rosa's Auto Service. So here let's click on this profile to start our explanation with this profile here, car repair and maintenance service. And by scrolling down, you will see that they already have a website. So let's see if their website is up to date or not. So here their website is very old, as you can see. It was created in way back, I would think it was created in 2014 or something like that. That's the vibe this website is giving me, the vibes of 2014 or 2015. So you are going, that's the first service you are going to offer them, which is renovating their website. Let's scroll down to move to the second service, which is removing the bad reviews from their profile. So here let's hunt down those 1-star or 2-star reviews. They are very helpful when it comes to convincing the business owners to purchase our service. So here let's scroll down until we find the 1-star bad review. So here it's only the 5-star reviews. 5-star, still in 5-star reviews. Here, let's just scroll down, and here it is. You have a 1-star review. If you are looking to get price gouged, go to Rasos. About a year ago, my exhaust was hanging and I had them look at it while they changed my oil. I usually spoke with Jack when I had my work done, but this time a younger guy talked to me at the counter. He wrote $850 in paint on my oil change paperwork and told me that's how much it would cost to fix my exhaust hanging problem. That price tag caused me to put off the repair. Yesterday, my muffler finally fell completely off. I took it to Muffler Man this morning and they fixed it for $225 in less than an hour. Take your vehicle to Muffler Man for your muffler repairs and CNC Auto on Military for everything else. The quality of the work and the friendliness of these places are equal to or better than Rosso's, and you will save so much money. I'm guessing the people who give this place good reviews either have money to spend or haven't shopped around. So that's a very bad review to have on your profile in Google Maps. It will give bad reputation to the business, and also it will scare clients away from you. So that is a review that worth removing from your profile. So you can just take a screenshot of this review, or you can just point it or point it out to the owners when you call them in their mobile phone. So here, just take their mobile phone, call them, or send a message via WhatsApp talking about your services and how these services are going to benefit the owner, and also how much it would take to remove that bad review. So for example, you can see that you can remove the bad review for only $80 or $100, and you are going to create or renovate the website for $150, which is $250 in total. And then you will go to fiverr.com. As I told you in the beginning, guys, you won't need to apply any service or to learn any skill. You will just you will just come to this platform and hire a freelancer to deliver those services instead of you. So for example, you are going to hire this freelancer for only $25 to remove the bad reviews, and you're going to hire this one for $80 to build or renovate the website for the business owner. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.